So we turn it on. All right, that's the logo of the Honda Big Bikes, and then full color TFT display. So yon mga idol, yung ating first release ng Honda CVR 650R standard version. So mga gusto pong bumili nito at mag-purchase, we are here at Honda Big Wings here in Calasiao, Pangasinan, and available pa po yung mga units natin. And siyempre, kung kayo po ay interested, just send message mga idol. At siyempre, titingnan natin yung mga specs and details nito. As you can see, ito po yung color na to is Grand Prix Red. So sa standard version, we have two colors, matte gunpowder black metallic, and itong Grand Prix Red mga idol. So standard meaning ito po yung naka-manual transmission, 6-speed, so wala tong e-clutch, yung kanilang bagong model din. So available din po ang ating electronic clutch or e-clutch system for the Honda CVR 650R. Ang presyo pala nito ay 554,000 and sa ating e-clutch 594,000. So kung kayo po ay may balak, kahit nasa abroad pa kayo, walang problema yan. Tutulungan natin kayo. Mr. Kevin Russell is the first owner of the Honda CVR 650R standard version. So I just want to ask here, what is the features of this bike that he likes and the reason why he purchased this new sports bike model?
Yeah, so the reason I bought this bike specifically is just because of the it's a sports bike, but it's not like super aggressive like the ZX6Rs and the 600RR and some of those other bikes like that. Like being a taller rider, it's much harder on my back for those more aggressive seating positions. And so what I was looking for in a bike was the sound from the inline four. I wanted it to look sporty, look nice, and I wanted to have a lot of aftermarket parts that were available for it. Something that I could have fun with and do.
So all the available parts available here at Guanzon.
Yeah, and there's tons.
What are the future modifications for this bike?
Well, I'm going to put on an exhaust. Yeah. I'll be powder coating the rims. I'm going to change the windshield. I'll put a tail tidy and radiator guard. I've got new levers for it, bar ends and grips and all that kind of stuff. Screen protectors. Yeah. Pretty much just about everything except for like the brakes and suspension, which I might look into next year.
Yeah. So that's it. Thank you very much, Sir Kevin Russell. He's the first owner of the Honda CBR 650R standard version, mga idol. So congratulations to Sir Kevin. Actually, he's been waiting for this model for almost how many months?
At least 6 to 7 months.
6 to 7 months. So he's always messaging me and asking me when is the model will be actually released in the Philippines. So now we are lucky that we already have it this month of October. So to all my subscribers, if you want to purchase this unit, you just send message to my Facebook page and we will try to assist you and help you, mga idol. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Nice.
Alright. And mga idols, kamusta naman ang design ng front face ng bagong 2024 Honda CBR 650R? Mas sporty ba ang datingan nito at mas kursunada mo ba? Versus sa ating old model na 2023 model? Aba mga idols, mag-leave kayo ng comment sa ating video at syempre gusto kong makita ang inyong personal impression. At i-check naman natin ang details ng kanyang engine type, 649cc ang total displacement, inline 4, 16 valves, at dyan po ay may max power 93.9 HP at max torque 63 Nm. Plus sa mga top features ito, equipped ng assist and slipper clutch. Napaka-smooth ng ating clutch dito. Plus syempre meron itong dual channel ABS, Honda Selectable Torque Control or traction control ng Honda. So installation tayo ng battery. Maintenance free battery. Ang total weight ito ay 208 kilograms. This is a 2024 Honda CBR 650R. Astig nito, mamaya kita natin yung ilaw. So yan ang pala yung pinaka niya, bolt niya, dalawa.
Yes, sir.
Dalawang bolts.
I want to get my wheels to match this blue.
This one. Yeah. So you want to powder coat? Okay.
The challenge I'm having is finding a shop that has a blue like this.
Yeah. So the gas capacity of this is 15.4 liters. 15.4 liters. And this is the original key. You have the badge for the Honda.
Yeah, if I have to do it in Milan, it's not,
Yeah.
it's not a problem.
Opa! So we turn it on. Alright, that's the logo of the Honda Big Bikes. Fuel gauge, indicators, the shifter, gear indicators, RPM, speedometer, and the phone Honda Road Sync. So here we have the clock on the top. So that's it. Very simple, as you can see. Akastig din ang kanyang all LED lightings, ano? Solid. New taillight design, all LED rin. Ang ating pinaka taillight at mga signal indicators. Yung front face ito, mas kamukha na siya ng CVR 1000 RR Fireblade, ano? So yung itsura niya, mas aggressive, mas pointy, at syempre, pogi-pogi. So that's it mga idol. It's already been activated and now for picture taking. Alright. Yun. Guanzon. So that's the actual seat height of a 6'4". Subukan naman natin para sa 5'6 height. Yan ang ating actual position. Alright. So that's it mga idol. Fully activated and already released. Iuwi na to na may-ari, no? Pero syempre gusto nating masubukan to at matry din natin. So binagbigyan naman tayo ni Idol Kevin Russell to try the bike. At kita naman po ninyo napaka-astig, napaka-format. Takaw pansin dahil na rin sa kanyang colorway, no? Yung Grand Prix Red. So again, meron pa tayong isang color nito, Matte Gunpowder Black Metallic. Available pa yan sa mga gusto pong humabol. Mag-send message lang kayo sa ating Facebook page, Boyd Salavaria, and we will help and assist you mga idol.
Ayun. Shoutout po muna sa ating idol. So guys, ayan, iuwi natin to. Hindi natin iuwi. Tatry lang natin. So shoutout din po sa ating idol. Ayan, no? Pogi-pogi, oh. And ito, bagong labas nating CVR 60TR 2024 model. Agastig mga idol. Grand Prix Red. Standard version. So let's check it out mga idol, ano? So tingnan muna natin to. So ulit yung susi ko dito. Alright, so let's go. Ayan mga idol, makita nyo yung pinaka ano nya, display, no? Full color TFT display. Astig. So papagawa lang natin to. Wow, lakas. So ito naka-ano na to, naka-activate na. Kanina pa natin napainit to. So subukan natin. So papadala lang natin to sa ano, pinaka wow. So Honda Big Wings, thank you very much sa ating Honda CBR 650R.
Nice.
Ayan mga idol, yung bagong model. Hahay! Nauna pa tayong gumamit sa may-ari. So meron kasi siyang papalagay na modification dito, or not modification, just papalitan yung windshield natin. So papalitan din yung kanyang tail tidy and then the exhaust. So ngayon papagawa natin mga idol. So ayan, solid ano.
Oops, nakakabitin mga idols yung ating ride. Napakalapit lang ng ating pinuntahan. Pero abangan nyo po yung ating part 2 ng video na to. Papakita natin sa inyo yung full transformation ng bagong CBR na to dahil marami po tayong pinalitan. Kaya mga idols, abangan nyo yan yung ating part 2. And thank you very much, Guanzon Honda Big Wings. Kung gusto nyo pong bumili ng mga big bikes ng Honda, mag-send message lang kayo sa ating Facebook page, Buwan sa Labaria. And ride safe sa inyo mga idols. Ciao!